Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Now I am trying to show you how to create a YouTube channel professionally. First, you will open your YouTube and click this icon. This is your YouTube Gmail icon. You can manage videos here. Now I will show you how to create a YouTube channel professionally. Now I click the channel customization for set up a profile picture. Click on the picture and set as a profile. This is my YouTube channel profile picture, and now I am uploading my profile cover photo. This is my profile picture and YouTube channel cover photo. Already I uploaded it on my YouTube channel. Now this is YouTube channel name Digital Pro Tips. This is my YouTube channel name, and you can create a YouTube channel very easily at these roles. This is handle. This handle helps search your YouTube channel. This handle already take some YouTuber. Digital Pro Tips. I'm trying to a unique handles for this YouTube channel. Digital Pro Tips English. This handle this handle is new. You can use it on your YouTube channel. Now I am saving it. You will must add a description for your YouTube channel. If you add your description in your YouTube channel, it is say professional. So you will eat this description for your YouTube channel. This is a very fantastic. My community, my privacy. My privacy keep all my subscription private. No need, no need subscription hide. Already some customization is complete. Now I am trying to show you this YouTube channel. This is YouTube channel. Unfortunately, this cover photo don't upload in this YouTube channel. I am trying to now upload this cover photo. You can see and you can think this cover photo. This cover photo is professionally. You can use it professionally. Already I uploaded this cover photo in this YouTube channel. Now as I am searching the name on the search bar because I want to see my YouTube channel ranking. This is a new channel, so you cannot see for charts. You cannot see the channel of charts. This is channel handle Digital Pro Tips. the channel is not showing the YouTube channel. Now I am trying to see the YouTube channel. This is a new YouTube channel. You will be, if you will be customize this channel properly, you can use tag, hashtag, and SEO. You will show the YouTube channel first page and first ranking. Digital pro tips English. This is handle of the YouTube channel, but I cannot see this YouTube channel. If I use the @ of digital pro tips, then I am see this YouTube